Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off hints on Candy Crush Saga. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're just going to want to open up the Candy Crush application, so go ahead and open it up.
Now, once you open up the application, you will be taken to the home screen. Now, once you're on the home screen, you can see the gear icon at the bottom left corner. So just go ahead and tap on it, and this will open up the settings menu. Now, from the settings menu, just tap on the features option, and you will be able to see the hints tab. Now, all you need to do is toggle on the hints button, and this will turn off your hints on the Candy Crush game. Now, if you go ahead and play any level, you will see that you will no more be shown any hints. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to disable hints on Candy Crush Saga. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.